Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install this picture frame here onto this brick wall right here. So the tools that we will need today is a drill that can drill into walls, the drill bit, masonry drill bit, the plug for the picture frame to go into the wall, the hook, you need a hammer, tape measure, calculator or your phone, a level, pen and paper to take down some measurements, and a pencil to mark the wall with. And that should do it for the tools, and we can get to it. Okay, now we're ready to drill our hole. Just make sure you're wearing your earmuffs and your safety glasses. When you drill the hole, try to make sure you keep the drill as level as possible. Don't be drilling like that, it has to be as level as possible. That was easy. Now we want to insert the plug and the hook. Okay, so the hole wasn't quite deep enough, so we have to drill just a little bit more. Okay guys, so we had an epic fail. I drilled a hole in the wall and it went straight through the water pipe. What a bummer. Big tip, anytime you drill a hole in the wall, make sure there's no water pipes, gas pipes or any electrical cords in there. Even if it's in a bedroom. It's a weird spot for a water pipe. Even though there's no bathroom in here or anything like that, there was still a water pipe. I don't know why, but it was there. So just go in your roof and give it a check. So lucky my good mate Ben from Beautiful Plumbing was able to come out on an emergency call and fix it up for me. What a champ. Alright guys, let's get to the next bit. Okay, so what you want to do first is, you want to see where you want to mount your picture. So for this one, we want to mount it somewhere here. So we probably want to go the same height as the window frame. That way it's going to look even with the bedroom. Okay, so get your pen and paper now and your tape measure, and you want to measure the width of the wall. Okay, so this is 1290. You can draw a little diagram just so it helps you out. I'm not the greatest artist, am I? Okay, next we want to get the height of the window frame. We go from the floor to the window frame. So it's 2140. Then you want to measure the width of the picture as well. $620. Okay, so here comes the tricky bit. What you want to do is divide the width of the wall in half so we know where the center is. So we'll get out our trusty phone. 45. So get your pencil, mark a little dot where halfway is. Try to get as high as the window frame as possible. So this could have went a bit higher. Let's measure it again. So that's central now. Now we want to get the height of where we want the picture at. Okay, so once you found the height you wanted at, or once you're in line with the window frame, take your picture, and where you have the cable or the hook or where it's supposed to mount to, you want to measure the distance between the top of it to where the cable is. This way it's not going to sit higher or lower than the window. So it's about 45 mil. Okay, so make sure your original mark is in line with the window frame and then go down by 45 mil. Well, that's what this window frame is anyway. It can be different to your picture. Okay guys, so I've repaired the wall now. I've had a quick look in the roof and I can't see any other pipes there. So fingers crossed, we don't hit nothing else. Here goes nothing. Earmuffs. Okay, we've had great success. We hit nothing. Let's put that hook in. Alright, awesome guys. Hook's on. Let's put that picture up. So I'll give you a close-up of the hook first. Hook's on like that. It's pretty solid. It's not moving nowhere. It's perfect. Okay, let's put the picture on now. Just take the cable at the back and hook it over the hook. Line it up and it's all done. Let me show you. So it's a bit off center, but we can't help that because of that water pipe. And I'm going to paint on top later on. Alright guys, so now you know how to put a picture frame up. So remember, check first what's in the wall, have a quick look in the roof. If you can't see anything, you're good to go. Don't forget guys, subscribe and give us a like. See you next time.